Hi gorgeous! Today we are going to show you how to using the K18 Hair Pro Treatment, which is the salon version, and how to change color to dark chocolate brown. First, spray the K18 Hair Peptide Prep with a blue trigger. Make sure to shake it well before you use it. This step is really important to reducing mineral buildup. You don't need to rinse it out, just wait 4 minutes, then spray the K18 Hair Mist. So let me explain what color we are going to mix it for her hair before I explain K18 Hair Mist. For the root, we will be mixing 6A and 6AA from Pravana in a 1:1 ratio with a 15 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, we will mix 6A and 7A from Pravana with a 6 volume developer. Since the ends are already bleached, so we only need a deposit color, so we are using less than 10 volume for that. What does K18 Hair Mist do? It helps prevent new damage during the service and after the service, and giving visual in just 4 minutes so you're ready to move to color or bleach process. It also has pH 7.5 to 8 to slow the cuticles for optimal color applications. After color process, we are going to use Aranco chiffon style mousse to add volume to her hair. Apply it gently with a comb to ensure the product is evenly saturated throughout. Using comb and then just comb out and then make sure everything penetration well. It's time to apply 1 or 3 pumps of the K18 Hair Pro Mask. It depending on the client's hair, length, and thickness or density. You can apply with the hands gently and using the brush too. We will also add K18 hair oil halfway through the drying her hair before finishing the style, so oil can saturate deep into the cuticle during the dry her hair. You can also apply with the hands or brush. Look at this beautiful shiny style. Can you see her hair smoothly and shiny? The natural dark chocolate brown tone is also low maintenance. This is before K18 Pro treatment and after color. Then this is after the service. I absolutely love this natural dark chocolate brown hair color. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.